Hey guys, welcome to my channel and we are going to unbox Samsung Galaxy J7 Duo. This is the first budget phone by Samsung which has dual camera setup. So before unboxing this device, please go ahead and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for more video notification. Let's go ahead and unbox this device and check what we get inside the box. The first thing is the J7 Duo. This is the phone. Let's keep this aside and check what we get more. Some booklets, micro USB cable, then we get charger which has an output of 5 volt 1.55 amperes. Then we get headsets, oh this is new, we get battery. This is a 3000 milliampere removable battery which is included in the box. These are the battery descriptions. On the rear we get a dual camera setup of 13 megapixel primary sensor and 5 megapixel secondary sensor with f1.9 aperture, Samsung branding, and we also get a flash and speaker. On the front there is a flash, earpiece, 8 megapixel selfie camera with f1.9 aperture, a 5.5 inch Super AMOLED HD display with 16:9 aspect ratio. Then there are capacitive buttons along with fingerprint sensor. On the right we have power button. On the left we get volume buttons. On the top there's nothing. On the bottom we get mic, micro USB port and 3.5mm headphone jack. So let's quickly go ahead and open the back and place the battery. We also get dual SIM slots, micro USB slot. Let me power on the phone and quickly complete the setup process. This phone comes with an Exynos 7870 octa-core processor with 4GB RAM and 32GB storage. This phone is priced at 16,999. So now the setup process is completed. Let's go ahead and check the software information. Let's go into the settings, about phone. This phone comes with Android 8 out of the box with Galaxy Experience 9. This is the Android 8 Oreo. Let's go ahead and set up the fingerprint sensor. So now let's go ahead and test the fingerprint sensor. It is a capacitive fingerprint sensor, so you don't have to go ahead and press the home button. You just need to place your finger on the home button and it unlocks. This phone comes with a face unlock feature, so let me go ahead and set up my face. So let's go ahead and add my face. This is quick. Now it's time to test the face unlock feature. Let's do it one more time. Now it's time to go ahead and test the camera. This camera comes with live focus mode, that is the bokeh effect mode. This is the shutter speed, it is fast. These are the camera samples. Let's go ahead and open the live focus mode and let's go ahead and check the live focus. Let me go ahead and quickly take a snap. This is the same feature which was introduced in the Note 8, and you can change the effect of the blur. Now let's go ahead and check the front facing camera. Let me go ahead and quickly take some snaps. So these are the filter options. Let's go ahead and quickly check the shutter speed. So that's all for the Samsung J7 Duo unboxing. This video is sponsored by Khurana Sales. So if you stay in Pune and want to buy this phone, please do visit Khurana Sales for more exciting discounts and offers. There are also finance options available. The contact number is provided in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe for more